Well, I don't know what your opinion is about hats, but do you like selling them? We selling? Do you collect hats? Do you like wearing hats? I got a hat on right now. It's available on the eBay store. I might keep wearing it till somebody buys it. I don't know. But yeah, it's very good quality. Also, looks good on me. Imagine how good it'll look on you. But you can see in the background here some vintage hats and stuff. So the reason I'm bringing this up because the first item I sold over the weekend was this ARH Services Smith Hallmark of Service hat. It's kind of a trucker hat with the patch and stuff. It was in real good shape once you cleaned it up. It was looking pretty bad too. It's got steam cleaned, washed, and there's certain ways you gotta do trucker hats and stuff, but we can go over the photos here. It cleaned up extremely nice. It maybe here and there might be a spot or two, but yeah, you can't complain with the age of it and the shape of it. It turned out really good. So if you're interested on how I clean trucker hats or anything like that, let me know in the comment section. And I'll make a video on it. I got plenty of hats to do it on. Baseball caps is a little bit different. Trucker hats usually got a cardboard in it, and baseball caps usually got plastic in the middle of the hats. So, you know, it's a bit different. And vintage hats, you gotta be kind of careful with the way you clean them. But yeah, it turned out good. It cleaned up good. It surprised me. And that thing sold for $17.99 with free shipping. Now I ship these in what is it? I don't remember the size of the box. I got a bunch of them, but it fits the hat perfect. I'll make a video on how I ship hats too. Not right now, unless you guys definitely need to know how to do that. Then I get on the ball. But there's a lot going on. So the second item is this Atari Bundle. I sold it for $14.99 with free standard shipping. You check it out. Done got feedback for this last lot. If you seen in the last haul video, there was a lot of 5 of them. And in that video I said I had a lot of 6 available, and that lot sold over the weekend. Fun note is the lot of 5 we had, that game was missing label. I got feedback back for that lot, and that guy said it was the mystery game was Dolphin. I didn't even know Dolphin was an Atari game. I thought it was Sega. You know, that's why I remember Dolphin. But it sold $14.99 free shipping. Not a big sale, but these was untested and they wasn't in the best of shape. And I don't know any $1 Atari games unless they new and sealed, and some of those don't even go high. So let's get on the graded Pokemon cards. Yes, you see me open many Pokemon cards on the channel. Here's one graded. It sold for best offer of $3.75, I do believe, or $3.50 with $7.50 shipping. It shipped Ground Advantage in the poly mailer, so I had a little bit left over on shipping. So I didn't make a lot. The card is basically not worth a lot, and it's just in a piece of plastic because CCNG Grading is not a $1 grading company. I bought this in a lot of I got a stack about that tall of graded cards, and there was some like this in it, and I just listed a couple from that I didn't want. We got some more I need to list. So if you're into Pokemon cards, you're watching this, check out the store. Trust me, they valued the price is pretty good. You see the price of this one. But the card looks great. Now this is something that you don't see every day. A vintage Jim Beam, bottle. Now I got 2 of these, one with a deer, one with a duck. It does show its age. You can see the cracks in the video here from whatever they coated it in. The stickers peeling a little on the front. It's stained. It's got something right here. It just shows its age. It's got that vintage look to it. It looks good, but it just shows its age. Now, I'll tell them how old they are. I couldn't date them, but if you know the date of these, comment below, because I sure don't. As always, we got another train sale in this video over the weekend. We got this book. It's a Gauge to Central. Georgetown something. You know, I looked through it. It looked like an interesting book. It does got some spots here on it where it was kept. It needs cleaned. You know, I don't know how a person would clean a book. I ain't gonna touch paper with trying to wipe it with water or whatever, because in my opinion, water don't mix with paper. I don't know, maybe this is laminated or something, but I wasn't about to clean it. I'll leave that up to the buyer. I took a best offer of, I think, $7, I want to say, plus $8 shipping. This was media mail. I didn't make a lot off of it. As you see, there ain't no high dollar items here, but the money stacks up. The more items you sell, even low dollar ones add up eventually, and it goes to somebody that was in need. So I'm happy with what I made, just knowing the item is not going to be just threw away and wasted. Here's something that I had for a long time, me personally, since I was a kid. You remember when the Bud clocks came out and they would make noise? Well, they had watches too, and they had different brand watches. Oh, this watch was bought for me as a kid, and you can see it's in great condition. It never was wore, and it was just put up, and I never did touch it. I forgot I had it till I was going through some stuff, and I said, oh, what's in this? And it was this watch, and it's just a beautiful, beautiful little watch, and it works. Listen, just listen. Whoops. The next sale is this vintage new bright damaged G-scale Caboose from 1986, and boy, it was in rough shape. I put it on $4.99 plus travel shipping. I made a little off of it because I figured somebody might need these little parts here, or the wheels, or the little, you know, things here to fix the Caboose. But you can see it's broke here. And parts of toys, you might not know this, and HL scale trains do sell. You might think it's broken and not fixable, but to somebody trying to fix the Caboose, Caboose, it means a lot. Or in toys that's missing maybe a arm, and you list it, and you know, for parts, somebody might have the other arm and missing the arm that you got, and they buy your toy to fix it. I actually fixed many vintage toys, especially Digimon, to Resell, just to you know, buy them parts. You'd be surprised. Some of them Digimon toys go pretty high. Let's see. Ain't much more I can show you on that one. Last sale of the weekend was this. This is a Great Northern carts that hauls like coal and rocks and stuff, or you know, and you can see in the photos here they was in really good shape, and this is actually little chips of coal from a coal mine here in Kentucky. I didn't put that in the description, but they was quite heavy. I shipped these actually flat weight priority, you know, a small priority box. They fit in it good. They should ship just fine. They metal, and they heavy. Pretty sure they metal. It might be in plastic. I think they metal. They was very vintage, and I took a best offer of like $27, I think, in shipping. Don't hold me to that. It's been the weekend. I'm shooting this on a Tuesday, and you're going to see us on a Wednesday. So yeah, I just want to go over what, you know, sold, and maybe Saturday night I'll try to upload one of these videos of what sold through the week. So let me know in the comment section below what you think about these sales, and I want to know your opinion on the hats. Do you like reselling hats or not? I want to know, do you? And speaking of hats, I listed some newly listed items. You can see we got some Troll Dolls. That's the Nintendo Switch. It's still not sold. If you've seen it in the last video, it's $129 free shipping. And then we got this vintage Pepsi bottle. Somebody out there wants that. I just gotta wait for the buyer. $14.99 free shipping. These are some HO scale train parts. We've got trains. Boy, at the trains. Some Star Wars figures. What I'm saying is, check the eBay store out. There might be something on you want to see. Maybe. I don't know. So, comment below. Thank you for the support. Thank you all. None of these was viewer sales, by the way. If you was a viewer, you can comment below what bought something off me. They want nothing in the notes to sell us. So thank you for the support. And even if you come across my YouTube channel and you bought something later on, and you're watching this video, thank you for the support. And if you watch and you subscribe on my YouTube channel, thank you for the support. What I'm trying to say is I appreciate the support. Thank you. And hopefully in the coming months we can get the shop going and I can start bringing you better quality content, and we get some of these projects done and get this eBay store going better too. And we just got to keep at it. Keep going till we get there, one step at a time. Thanks for watching.